Going on, everyone? Got a 2024 Volvo XC90. We're going to reset the maintenance reminder on it. It's pretty simple. Car is off right now. Press and hold this button down. Go ahead and turn the ignition start on 2 times until the cluster tells you to put your foot on the brake to start it. Start it up. Continue holding this button down. Up here on the cluster, you'll see an eye flash after about, I don't know, 1 or 2 seconds. As soon as it starts flashing, you let go of this, okay? You might have a message on the dash. You need to go ahead and clear it, and then it should tell you that you have reset the maintenance, okay? I'll go through that real quick. Press and hold down. Foot is off the brake. I'm gonna hit this guy once, twice, okay? Maybe even 3 times. All right, now it's telling me brake pedal. Foot on the brake. Start it up, still holding. Still holding. Waiting for the eye symbol to pop up. Let go. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clear out this message I have. And it says maintenance, reminder, reset, okay? It might take you a couple times. That's how you do it. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate if you could hit that like button for me. It would really help out. Or leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another video.